Hey there, welcome to Paint the Kitchen Red. I'm Nina and I'm going to be showing you how to make Instant Pot chicken stew with all kinds of vegetables, and it's just a really comforting meal. It's a one-pot recipe with tender chicken and hearty vegetables, and when the weather turns cold, you're going to want to make this recipe over and over again. I'll give you a list of the ingredients and I'll show you how to make it. Here are the ingredients for the chicken stew. 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. That's about 2/3 of a kilo, cut into 1.5-inch pieces. 2 cups of chicken broth. That's a 14.5-ounce can or 411 grams. 1.5 cups of celery sliced into 1/2-inch chunks. That's about 3 stalks. 2.5 cups of sliced mushrooms. That's 8 ounces or 225 grams. 1/2 cup of dry white wine. If you don't want to use white wine, you can just use water or broth. 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. 2 cups of potatoes cut into 1-inch cubes. That's about 9 ounces or 250 grams. 1.5 cups of carrots sliced into 1/2-inch chunks, about 6 ounces or 170 grams. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and 1.5 teaspoons of dried or fresh minced rosemary, 1.5 teaspoons of dried thyme, 2 cups of chopped onions, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, or to taste. I generally use more than 1 teaspoon, like about 1.5 teaspoons, but I'm very heavy-handed with the salt. 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red pepper, or to taste. I like to use about 3/4 of a teaspoon because I like it spicy. And then optionally, to thicken at the end, you could use 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of water. So let's start out by heating the Instant Pot in saute mode. Once the Instant Pot is hot, you're going to add the oil, and when it starts to shimmer, you're going to add your onions. Saute the onions until they're soft. Add the garlic, the rosemary, thyme, crushed red pepper, salt. Stir the spices into the onion mixture until they're fragrant, about 20 to 30 seconds. Deglaze with the white wine. If there are any brown bits stuck to the bottom of the Instant Pot, you want to make sure nothing's stuck to the bottom before you pressure cook, and this can avoid the burn message. Let the wine reduce till it's almost evaporated. Add in the celery, potatoes, mushrooms, carrots, and the chicken. Add the broth and stir until all the ingredients are combined. Add the tomato paste on top. Now you're not going to stir the tomato paste in, just in case it causes the burn message. So just kind of spread it around on top of the remaining ingredients. Close the lid and pressure cook on high pressure for 4 minutes. Once the cooking time is up, you can release the pressure using the quick release method. Open the lid. Make sure you watch out for the steam. It can be very hot. Stir all the ingredients up. And at this point, if you feel like the stew is a little too thin, you have 2 options. You can either let it cook down in saute mode, or you can add some cornstarch mixed with cold water. So I use 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of cold water, and that'll just thicken up the stew a bit. It just depends on your preference. You're now ready to serve this delicious chicken stew. You can eat it with crusty bread, with a salad, and it's just a one-pot meal that's super easy and really delicious. I think everyone's going to love it. I hope you enjoy the recipe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.